Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how to hide camera cutout while using any app in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and just click on this display option. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here camera cutout, just click on it. Now you can see some preview on the above. So camera cutout or hide camera cutout, how it looks. So below you will see all the installed applications present on your respective Samsung smartphone. So you can see by default it is set in auto all the apps. So say I want to hide on a particular apps. So say Chrome, just click on it. Now you will see here, so camera cutout, hide camera cutout or auto. So here I'm gonna select the hide camera cutout. You can select multiple applications wherever you want to hide the camera cutout. So just for an example, I'm just selecting a Chrome. I'll just minimize it. Now let me open a Chrome application. So now you can see on the above, the camera cutout is being hidden. As you can see here, the black bar is appearing on the top of my screen. So it's working perfectly. So if you want to show the camera cutout again, just move back to the same option and just click on the respective application. And you can select either auto or show camera cutout, whichever you want to select. So say let me set it to auto, and if I reopen it, you can see here there is no more black bar appearing on the top of my screen. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily hide camera cutout while using any app in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.